Okay, on Great Taste of Las Vegas, today we're gonna make some healthy avocado peanut butter drink. Using 5 avocado. This drink is so good. It could be a smoothie, should be a shake, and it could be ice cream if you freeze it, okay? First of all, we're gonna have 5 avocado, peanut butter, some ice, and some condensed milk. We're gonna open the condensed milk. You have to wash the opener right away because the condensed milk is really thick. So you don't want the condensed milk to stick to it, so wash it right away. We're gonna put some ice in here, in the blender. So this, and then you're gonna put water in to cover the ice. We're gonna cut the avocado. Some of the avocado is too old, so just get the part where it looks good. You can also cut them like that too. Sideways, squeeze it out. These are a very good avocado, so you use the whole thing. Good avocado, use it all. Again, avoid that little brown color over there. They say you can do like that and take it out too. That's also work, okay? Avocado is so tasty. Okay, next we're gonna put in some condensed milk, a sweet condensed milk. Little more. Okay, that's it. That's 1/3 right there. I mean, the more you put it in, the tastier. Okay. That is exactly about 1/3. You can close it, yeah? 1/3 of can of condensed milk. We're going to scoop for this much. We're going to put in 2 big spoons of peanut butter. 2, that's it. It's not enough water. You need to fill it up to the max right here that they have on here. So put about up to the max line right there. That's it. In a second, you're gonna have great smoothie. Okay, now time to turn it on the power and grind it. Pulse it a few times for the ice to move. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. And look at our smoothie. Look at our avocado peanut butter, and then you can put them into a big container later for ice cream, okay? So this is your avocado shake from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Hope you're happy and healthy.